Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to solve exponential equation. For example, 1. 2 raised to x equals 16. The first thing we need to do is to make the base the same. So we have here 2 and 16. So all we need to do is we rewrite the 16 into base 2. So because first we have 2 raised to x, and we know that 16 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, or 2 raised to 4. So we will write 2 raised to 4 in place of 16. Now that we have the same base, so all we need to do is equate the exponent. So we have x equals 4. Example 2. We have 3 raised to x minus 1 equals 27. Again, the goal is to make the base the same. So we have 3 and 27. So if we copy first that 3 raised to x minus 1 and 27 is equal to 3 times 3 times 3, or 3 raised to 3. So instead of writing 27, we write 3 raised to 3. Now that we have the same base, all we need to do is equate the equation. So we have x minus 1 equals 3. And then, because we're looking for the value of x, we need to remove the negative 1 by applying the addition property of equality. So we will add positive 1 both sides. Okay, so our answer is okay. So our answer is, we have x, okay, we cancel this out, equals 4, because 3 plus 1 equals 4. Next, example number 3. So we have 4 raised to x minus 2 equals 16. Again, our goal is to make them have the same base. Okay, so we know that 16 is equal to 4 raised to 2. So all we need to do is copy the left side. We have 4 is raised to x minus 2. Because we have the same base, so we need to equate the exponent. So we have x minus 2 equals 2. Again, applying the addition property of equality, we add positive 2. Okay, so we cancel this out. So our answer, we have x equals 2 plus 2 is 4. Next, we have 4 raised to x minus 1 equals 8. Okay, so here, we know that they have the common, what do you call this, base, which is 2. So 4 can be written as 2 raised to 2, right? So we will copy the exponent x minus 1, and 8 can be written as 2 raised to 3. Okay, so we will equate the exponent because we have the same base. So we have 2 times the quantity x minus 1 equals 3. Applying the distributive property, we have 2x minus 2 equals 3. Now, applying the addition property of equality, we have 2x. So these two, we will transpose it, equals 3 plus 2. Okay, so our answer is 5, right? Okay, and because we're looking for x, so we need to remove the 2 by dividing both sides by 2. So our answer, x equals 5/2. Okay, so try this. 5 raised to 2x plus 1 equals 625. Okay, hint. The base is 5.